In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a GitHub repository. Archiving a repository is an effective way to indicate that a project is no longer actively maintained. This can also help clean up your GitHub profile by organizing projects that you no longer work on, but might still want available for reference. Let's dive into the process. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the repository you wish to archive. Ensure that you've logged into your GitHub account and have the necessary permissions, typically as the repository owner or a collaborator with administrative rights. Once you've accessed GitHub, locate the specific repository you'd like to archive from your list of repositories. Click on its name to open it. Now that you're in the repository, you'll want to move over to the Settings tab. You'll find this at the top of the repository page, usually along a row of other tabs such as Code and Issues. Clicking on Settings will redirect you to a new page dedicated to the repository's various settings options. Once in the Settings section, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Here you should see a division known colloquially as the Danger Zone. The Danger Zone is so named because it contains actions that can significantly affect your repository, such as deletion or archiving. As this is where you'll find the options for making substantial changes, take a moment to ensure you're in the right section. In the Danger Zone, you'll spot the option labeled Archive this repository. Clicking this will initiate the archiving process. But don't worry, it doesn't archive the repository immediately, which is helpful if you're worried about making this change accidentally. Instead, it leads you through an additional step of confirmation. After clicking to archive, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is designed to make sure you're entirely certain about archiving the repository, as doing so marks the project as read-only. You will need to type the repository's name or some similar command as prompted to confirm your decision. Once completed and confirmed, your repository will successfully be archived. A useful thing to note is that once a repository is archived, all interactions with it become read-only. This means issues and pull requests cannot be opened, closed, or merged. It's a great way to preserve the state of the project, but if you ever need to work on it again, you can unarchive it by simply reversing the process. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your projects, keeping your GitHub profile neat and ensuring that others know which repositories are not active. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide on archiving a GitHub repository was helpful.